Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since my last video. I really wanted to stay consistent with uploading videos this time around, but life has been lifing, so I got pretty distracted and lost momentum there. But I wanted to show you this quick video. It's not exactly a recipe. I was making some jerk chicken and decided, hey, why not just record it? So a few steps are missing, obviously. The prepping of the chicken, the marinating, the pre-cooking before we put it on the grill is missing. But I'll do a separate video dedicated to making jerk chicken. But in the meantime, just enjoy this quick video of prepping jerk chicken on our grill. Enjoy! So I know the chicken looks burnt, but trust me, it's not. Watch until the end of the video to see the final result. jerk chicken. If you want to make this at home, I actually have a recipe of how to make this in your oven in the comfort of your own home. I'll put a link somewhere so you can access that video. Thank you for watching. See you next time, guys. Bye.